Welcome to this video on the system text blocks which have been added to the current text block functionality in Copilot4DevOps V5. In your text blocks section, you will now see, in addition to your text blocks and shared text blocks, the system text blocks. System text blocks are predefined text snippets provided by the Copilot4DevOps team. These text blocks are designed to be reused across various modules within the platform. The purpose of these system text blocks is to allow users to efficiently reuse text snippets without the need for manual re-entry, thereby enhancing workflow efficiency and consistency. Let's use one of our system text blocks in the elicitate function in custom instructions. We can insert a text block, choose System Text Block, and you can see all of the applicable system text blocks that would work best in the elicit function. Let's choose Project Implementation Guide. Click Insert. And now, we can go ahead and generate some user stories. The system is taking into consideration what has been added in the system text block and applying that to your results. Please note that users cannot edit system text blocks directly. However, they can clone these blocks into their personal or shared text block collections to make them editable and reusable according to their needs. Thank you for watching.